Hello everyone. Today I am going to sharing information about Indian Ocean tsunami which occurred on 26 December 2004, which is one of the most destructive and deadly tsunami in history. Now before it I am going to give some definition like what is an earthquake and tsunami. The first one is earthquake. An earthquake is an intense shaking of Earth's surface. The shaking is caused by movements in Earth's outermost layer. Now, the second one is what is tsunami? A tsunami is a series of waves caused by earthquakes or undersea volcanic eruption. Means one of the cause of tsunami is earthquake. Now next about the Indian Ocean tsunami. On Sunday morning around 7:58 am, December 26, 2004, a powerful undersea earthquake that struck off the coast of Sumatra Island, which is present in Indonesia, set off the 2004 Indian Ocean tsunami. It is also known as Christmas or Boxing Day tsunami. The magnitude 9.1 quake ruptured in 900-mile stretch of fault line where the Indian and Australian tectonic plates meet. It was a powerful mega thrust quake occurring where a heavy ocean plate slips under a lighter continental plate. So, according to the US Geological Survey, a total of 2,27,898 people died. It is one of the worst earthquakes in recorded history, as well as the single worst tsunami in history. Indonesia was the worst affected area with most death toll estimates around 170,000. The Indonesian Minister of Health at the time estimated the death total to be as high as 220,000 in Indonesia alone, giving a total of 280,000 fatalities. Now the question is that how many country gets affected by this? The first one is Indonesia, after that Sri Lanka, India, Thailand, Somalia, Myanmar, Maldives, Malaysia. If we are talking about India, the worst affected area in Tamil Nadu was Nagapattinam district with 6,051 fatalities reported by a 5-meter tsunami. Chennai was battered by the tsunami which swept across the beach, taking morning walkers unaware. Now the next is the environmental impact due to this tsunami and earthquake. Impact that will affect the region for many years to come. It has been reported that severe damage has been inflicted on ecosystems such as mangroves, coral reefs, forests, coastal wetlands, vegetation and rock formation, animal and plant, biodiversity and groundwater. Also, the spread of solid and liquid waste and industrial chemicals, water pollution, and the destruction of sewage collectors and treatment plants threaten the environment even further in untold ways. According to specialists, the main effect is being caused by poisoning of the fresh water supplies and of the soil by saltwater infiltration and a deposit of a salt layer over arable land. One of the famous movie has been made over this Indian Ocean tsunami. The title of the movie is The Impossible. In this, Maria, Henry, and his three sons begin their winter vacation in Thailand, looking forward to a few days in tropical paradise. But on 26th December, as the family relaxes around the pool after their Christmas festivities the night before, a terrifying roar rises up from the center of the earth. As Maria freezes in fear, a huge wall of black water races across the hotel grounds towards her. There are few famous quotes from this movie. In the one movie scene, a old woman says that some of those stars have been burnt out for a long, long time. They are dead, but once they were so bright that their light is still traveling through space, we can still see them.